Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Ladies and gentlemen, in this lecture, we're going to discuss the AliExpress Dropshipper Center. Now, I know that it's pretty difficult to access the AliExpress Dropshipper Center by just searching for it as a beginner for the first time. Because, and to be honest with you, they made it quite tricky for people to find the AliExpress Dropshipper Center. But I can show you how. You can actually go to Google pretty simply, type in AliExpress DS Center, all right? So, and the first thing is, here on the left-hand side, you can see this data right here, SEO difficulty, off-page difficulty. You can see the trends, related keywords, all of this stuff. Now, if you want to have this stuff on your computer, and also another interesting thing is that it gives you access to know the domain authority of a website. It gives you access to know how many websites are actually referring to this website and the spam score, the traffic it gets every single month. If you're interested in getting these data, you can actually download an extension called Keywords Everywhere. So this is available for Chrome and for Firefox. So if you want to get Keywords Everywhere, go to Google and just search for Keywords Everywhere extension. And just make sure that you are using either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. All right, so let's get down to the nitty gritty right now. So the AliExpress Dropshipper Center, as we said, just go to Google and search for AliExpress DS Center, and then scroll down, skip the ads, and then the first link after the last ad is ds.aliexpress.com. So, but you need to make sure of just one small thing. You need to make sure that you are logged in on your AliExpress account, right? So make sure that you go to AliExpress and log into your account, because if you're not logged into your account, they're going to ask you to log into AliExpress Dropshipper Center. So make sure that you are logged in there. It's very easy. I mean, even if you don't have an account on AliExpress, you can go right now and create it in a matter of seconds. But I'm logged in, so no problem. And sometimes they might log you out automatically. You know, I don't know why, to be honest with you. Sometimes they change the language entirely. Sometimes if you refresh this page or move from page to page, you will find that they'll change the language to Russian and to Chinese. But that's, I mean, we cannot handle it. I mean, the only thing you can do is probably to send an email to the AliExpress Dropshipper Center here in the contact, and you can contact them about this problem. But anyways, right now, let's explain what the AliExpress Dropshipper Center is all about. So once you are on the AliExpress Dropshipper Center, you can see right here that we have two choices, either to find products or top selection. Now, find products is for people that don't know what to sell. Supposing that you are a dropshipper, but you don't know what to sell. You're lost, you don't know exactly what to sell. This is for you, and AliExpress will recommend you products based on that. They know that you don't know what to sell, you're still a bit lost, maybe you're a dropshipping beginner, and so they will give you all of these products over here in recommendation. You can see that there are over 20 pages, so 3,000 products, and you can choose from whichever one here. But supposing that you want the top selection, right? The top selection that AliExpress have named or dubbed the top selection. You click here and you will see an entirely different thing from the first one. You will see that these are the products that AliExpress recommends as their top selection, okay? And so right now I'm gonna go to click Find Products again. But before that, before moving forward, you need to pay attention to here. You can see, if you click on this button right here, you can see ship to with country, and here the language and the currency. So let's suppose that you are dropshipping in the United States, dropshipping products to the United States from another country. You can actually come here and change this. For instance, let's say you want to dropship to Uganda, right? You want to ship to Uganda. You can click here and you will see an entirely different view, right? And this is depending on products that are selling in Uganda. If I change this, for example, to United Kingdom, Britain, if I search, you will see, so the problem happened. The language changed to Chinese. But anyways, you can see that it's an entirely different thing. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to go back to United States, right? United States. Hopefully the language will be solved. Well, the language is not solved. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm just going to have to refresh and see. Or I'm going to go back to Google. This is another way you could solve this language issue. Go back to Google and search for AliExpress Dropshipper Center. And basically just click on the link again. And if the problem persists, go to your AliExpress account. Go to your AliExpress account and log out. Just log out of the account or sign out and then sign in. Sign back in. And then go back to the AliExpress Dropshipper Center. Problem should be solved at the time. So here, I'm going to sign back. So I'm going to sign in again. Okay, so I'm signed in right now and new. So I'm going to go to Google and search again for AliExpress Dropshipper Center. And this problem, you will face it a lot. This problem, language is changing. It's you can see that even now. Oh, now it's good. Okay, so now the problem is solved. So, like we said, here you can change the country. And basically here is the find products top selection. We've explained that. So here, let's get down to this. Right here, you can see you have all types of filters. And one very interesting filter over here that is very often mislooked is search by image. This search by image allows you to actually search for a product by image, and we're going to get to a little bit of that later. But let's explain here. So here, of course, the products that are displayed are from all categories, depending on what AliExpress thinks it's good for beginning or for dropshippers to sell, right? So here they've done their analysis. They figured these are the products that we believe are selling well right now at this time. And we think that if dropshippers pick any product of those, they might do well. So they're recommending it to you. But we all know that as dropshippers, you have to have a specific niche, right? So some people are specialized in dog clothing. Some other people are specialized in cat clothing. Other people are specialized in toys. Other people are specialized in what we call impulse buys. Like this one, for example, is an impulse buy. This is also an impulse buy. So impulse buys basically is the kind of thing that you buy just because you like it, all right? So for example, here, this type of docking station looks pretty fantastic, and this might be an impulse buy. This is also might be so impulse buy generally or typically is something that you buy just because you liked it. You see it, you like it, it looks good, it looks fantastic, and you want to have it at that moment. So right here, you can see these products, but we're not interested. Let's say we're not interested in dog sweaters or dog clothing. So I want to go, for example, here, click here. You can select any category you want. So let's say that you're selling toys. You can select the toys, but basically you can see that nothing changed. And nothing changed because you have to click on submit. So now that you have clicked on submit, you can see that the filter worked and everything is now filtered. And you can see that we have a total of 3,000 products, 20 pages worth of products, which is fantastic. And so here is what it is. So another thing is, another filter, which is very interesting, ship from, right? So you're shipping to the United States, but you haven't yet specified the country from which you're shipping to, or the country that you want to ship to. So let's say that you want to ship from the United States to the United Kingdom. Okay, so you can come here, click ship from the United States to the United Kingdom, and then you click submit again, right? So here, when I click this, it found no data. There are no products that you can ship from the United States to United Kingdom. So maybe we can try another country. Let's try, for example, France. All right, let's try France. And let's click on submit. We can see that also for France, there are no products that we can ship from the US to France. Let's try with Australia. Australia again. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the filter of the toys. I'm going to make it for all categories, and you can still see that there are no products that you can ship from the US to Australia. If I click here, everything went back again. So Here, you also know what products you can ship from which country, and this is interesting, right? Because some people might say, okay, I like this product, I want to ship it from the United States to the United Kingdom. But it turns out this product cannot be shipped from the United States to the United Kingdom, right? And so by knowing that information, you will know which countries you can ship the product to. Here, if you want to have the code available, if you want to have products with codes, you can check this, even though I'm not really interested in that. But codes is quite professional, because a product that has a code signifies that we are dealing with a professional company, because professional companies tend to have codes for their products. And so if you have a company that has codes or displays codes on the product page, this means that that product is actually owned by a good company. All right, so here, free shipping. So if you're interested in free shipping, you can click here, click submit, and you will see all the products with the free shipping option, right? So you can see that these are the products with the free shipping option. You can uncheck this anytime you want to click submit again. Here, some people prefer creatives with videos. Some people prefer products that come with videos because, and of course, I agree with this. 80% of products that sell because of videos. So if you don't have a video, it's pretty much, I'm not going to say impossible, but it's pretty much complicated to sell a product without a video. So a video, to me, is 80%. And I would argue that if you search for it right now, experts would say 80%, even more. Some people say 90%. Some people say 100%. But a product needs something such a video, because a video, and especially if it's only a 10 seconds to 30-second video, a video is pretty much a lot more explanatory than an image, right? And people can get too much or a lot of information from a video than they can get from an image, because a video shows you exactly everything you need to see. For instance, if we take this product, cozy dog cat sweater, which is both for dogs and cats, it's a sweater. Now people want to know, how can they use this? When a video explains this, they have all the ideas that they want, all the information that they want, right, from the video. So if I click here, video, and let's see which products actually come with a video. So you can see this product right here comes with a video. These are the products also, they come with videos. And so here it gives you access to see what products comes with videos. And so if you're only interested in promoting products that have videos, there you go. You can click on this filter. Here, another important thing, which is local stock. Local stock is how many units are locally stocked by the company which is selling this product right now. So if you click on local stock, you click here, and it will only show you products with actual stock, okay? And so assuming that you're not interested in promoting products with no stock, you actually click this, right? Click this to make sure that you're getting products with stock. If you're not interested in that information as a metric, just uncheck it and click submit. Now here, another thing is you can sort items by price. So let's say that you only want to sell products in between $5 to $15, okay? You can click submit, and there you go. You're only left with products that are in between $5 to $15 in price. Let's say that you want to sell products in between $1 to $5. You can do that. You can limit that from between $1 to $5, and you can see that it works. Now here, another thing which is very interesting is you can actually search any product by name. So let's say that you're looking for a screwdriver, right? Screwdriver. You can come here and enter screwdriver and search, right? So if you after you click submit, it will show you only products, only screwdrivers, all right? So here it shows us all the screwdrivers that exist here, right? And one last thing is, all right, let's remove all the filters and submit again. But one last thing is search by image, the search by image thing. So let's say that I want to search for a sweater, dog sweater. I already have taken a print screen from this product here. I can come here and click search by image, okay? And then I can come and I can just search for example, for a sweater for dogs, right? Sweater. Right, so I can come here, hair dryer, right? Let's search for a hair dryer, for example, and see if we can find that out. And once you click that, you can see that all these are hair dryers, okay? So these are hair dryers that we searched for using the image, okay? So only by using the image, you can find products that you're selling, assuming that you don't want to get into writing a lot of text. And so this is all for the dropshipping center part of filtering and searching for products. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how you can use Dropshipper or AliExpress Dropshipping Center to actually analyze products. Okay, so to use the product analysis and to analyze products based on price, based on quality, based on shipping, logistics quality, and we're going to talk a little bit about all of that stuff in the next lecture. See you there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.